Hello guys, today we are tackling about how to find how to define a derivative function. Okay, a derivative limit, the derivative of a limit through definition or through the laws. Okay, so let's start. Um, let's say an example is x squared plus 4. Then the x is equals to 9 and negative 6. So the x in the function would be 9 because this is the x and this is the y. So 9 is the x. Okay, so the formula for the definition of a derivative limit is derivative of x is equals to just the same with how to calculate a derivative, which is just a limit of x plus delta x minus f of x over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. So that is the formula. Just copy that. The of x. Oh, I mean m tan. How to find m tan or the slope of tangent. They have the same formula with the how to find a derivative of a function, but the only difference is that in the derivative of the function we don't substitute the values. For example, okay, let's solve. F of x equals to all of the x's will become x plus delta x, just like in the slope of a tangent. So the formula will become x plus delta x squared plus 4 minus x squared plus 4 over delta x. Okay, so x plus delta x squared x plus delta x times x plus delta x because of the squared. So x times x squared, x times delta x is x delta x plus x squared times x is x delta x, then delta x times delta x is delta x squared. Combine like terms, so we get x squared plus 2 delta x plus delta x squared. So just put it in the value. So the formula will change and become, lipat kong limit. Yeah. So just change the value of x plus delta x squared with x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared plus 4 minus x squared plus 4 over delta x. So now we get rid of this, of the parentheses, so it will become limit of delta. I just put this so I don't forget, but the actual hierarchical writing of the formula is limit of x squared plus 2x, why na ang parentheses, naging x squared plus 2x delta x plus delta x squared plus 4. So Negative times x squared is negative x squared. Negative times 4 is minus 4 over delta x as delta x approaches to 0. So we cancel we combine like terms. So positive x squared minus negative x squared is just 0, so cancel them out. Then positive 4 minus 4 is just 0, so cancel. So what we have left is 2x delta x plus delta x squared over delta x. So we factor out delta x to cancel out the delta x here at the bottom. So it will become equals to delta x times 2x plus delta x. So we just cancel the delta x here and just get rid of the other delta x here in the square root, because delta x times delta x is just delta x squared. So we just cancel the other delta x. So what will left is delta x over delta x. Cancel. So what is left is 2x plus delta x. Substitute. Wait. Ang limit. Lipat ko. Limit of delta x approaches to 0. So we just substitute. Become 2x plus 0. Wait, limit po kayo daw. Limit of delta x approaches 0. Then equals to 0. Then 2 times x, which is the number 9. 2 times 9 is equals to 18. So that, hindi lipat ko, hindi nagritan. The answer will just be 2x. That is the derivative of x squared plus 4. 2x plus delta x. 2x lang ulit. 2x. Because we substituted delta x. We substituted delta x with 0, so the limit would cancel. And what we are left with is just 2x.